Hey paper crafters, thank you so much for joining me today. I love that you took the time to pop by my channel, check out the video that I've got going, and hopefully stay and poke around a little bit. I'm really excited to be able to offer some videos now and then and share my love of paper crafting. So I hope you find something that you enjoy and come back to see me another time. Bye-bye. Hey paper crafting friends, thanks for tuning in today. I am going to share with you all the new products that are coming out from Kiwi Lane for this August release. So let's get started. I'm going to start with a new line of things that we're doing that's called DIY crafts. These are all things that are made out of 5mm thickness wood that can be painted, stained, covered with paper, whatever it is that you decide that you want to do for these. They could be used on a layout, but they could also be used on a snap frame, on any kind of just a home decor project that you're working on. So the first one is called Live Simply. And I'm going to be showing you everything on this mat today so you can get an idea of the size. I know that's always a trick when you're trying to see, have some perspective. So this is 12 by 12 if you look at this solid white line here. So if I put this like right in the corner here, we can see that it is a little more than 4.5 inches long. And if I go to the bottom of this P and this Y, almost 2¼ inches tall. Okay, so this is Live Simply, made out of wood, and it is $4. Okay, so keep in mind, if you are a club member, you are getting 10% off of these things, even right as they're coming into the shop. So fun stuff. If you are a club member, you will be able to place your order starting August 3rd. If you are not, then you would need to wait until August 5th. Here's the next one in that DIY crafts. It's called Spread Kindness. So this kindness piece is about 5 inches long by 1¾ tall. And then you've got this little tiny word spread. Isn't that cute? So you can kind of decide where you want that to be in relation to the kindness and kind of play around with that. So that is Spread Kindness. The next one in that DIY crafts line is a new little truck. So this is 6.5 inches long. And these trucks have been all the rage for the last couple years. I'm excited that we've got one to add to the mix. So super cute. It's got some accents that are kind of laser burnt onto it. The truck itself, let's see, it is 6.5 inches long by about 2¾ inches tall. And then it comes with these other pieces. So you can, again, paint or stain or whatever, but I love that this is separate. It'll make it really easy to do something different with that. Like if you want to stain it or paint it white, but you want your truck a different color. And then you've got these great wheel wells that you'll get to do separately. So I haven't played with this a lot. So there we go. So it gives that great dimension right off the bat. You don't have to do something, extraordinary to those. I would, maybe add a little distressing around them. I have some really cool chalk inks that would be amazing on this. I don't know, have some fun with that great little truck. The next one is a little house. This is a little 5 by 6 house. Again, wooden. Okay, just a very basic house shape. Okay, it was funny, right away I started thinking about chalk couture when I saw this. And I thought, ooh, I could do some fun little things with that. It's just a fun little surface. So Simple 5x6 house. I did have somebody tell me it looks a little bit like home plate for baseball. So that's kind of funny. That could be a different way to use it. Again, nice thickness. These are not flimsy at all. Like I said, they're about 5 millimeters thick and just good quality. Sorry, I forgot to give you the price points on those last couple. So the Live Simply was $4. The Spread Kindness Words was $4. The Wood Truck is $7. And the house, the 5x6 wood house, is $5. And then this is the last one in this new DIY crafts line. This is a 7-inch circle. And on one side, it's just solid and plain. And then on the other side, it's got a shiplap design. So when you start thinking about maybe doing some layering with these things, you could definitely be using, like I said, a snap frame or something else, you know, thinking about a shadow box, thinking about having these on a shelf or just leaning behind something. You definitely could start to do some really cool things with these. Just an opportunity for a real creative outlet, okay? All right, now we're gonna get into the templates because that's my favorite. So if you don't want the wood truck, but you want a truck, look at this. This is the Farmstead a la carte. It's got all the tracing lines and things that you need to create those like Will Wells, okay? Really sweet a la carte. This is 6.5 inches long and about 2 3/4 inches tall. Is it the same size as the wood truck? Now I gotta know. Oh, it is exactly the same size as the wood truck. That's funny, I didn't realize that. Okay, so Farmstead a la carte, this is $6. Loving this really sweet, sweet new template. Then we've got a little pumpkin. This is a la carte harvest. I love that you could use this. You could put some pictures behind it or just use these cutouts to create an accent piece to go on top, whatever it is that you wanted to do. This harvest a la carte is $5. It is about 4.5 inches wide and just a touch over 4 inches tall. So nice pumpkin, I love it. Okay. And then we're gonna get into a couple of new tiny accessories. I'm gonna scooch this up just a little bit so you can catch the size on these, okay? I'm not gonna go through the size on each one. There's 10 templates in this set, but I will lay them out so you can see them. This one is called Tiny Plants, okay? And there are 10 templates in here, like I said, that can be used in a variety of ways. All right, so let's look at this tiny plants. Look at this, my favorite part, this little pot. So cute to make a sweet little edge on there. You could ink that to make those little dots. Do it with a pen, love it. Look at this great stem. One of the things that I'm noticing that they're starting to do on these new template sets is they're putting how many there are in this set, which I really like. So this says 10T of 10. Okay, you could always look on the back and kind of check them on this little picture, but I do like that I can just do a quick count when I realize, oh, okay, they're supposed to be 10. So I've got a new kind of greenery piece, another one here. Some of these pieces are going to layer really well with some previous like club sets. So I'm excited to try that out. But look at all these sweet little things that you could do. Let's build a quick little pot here. I could do this. Have this fun flower popping off of there. Just a little bit of a stem coming out, a little bit of a greenery, probably turn this one over so it's going a little different direction. You guys, so easy to just create a really fun flower cluster on the fly. I took like no time to even stop and think about this. Okay, I didn't use these two. I could add them in somewhere if I wanted. You know, just that really great layered look. So anyway, you are going to have a blast with this fun little set. Okay. Price point on that is $11 for that tiny accessory. There's another new tiny accessory. This one's called Tiny Seasons. It also has 10 templates in it. Okay, so Tiny Seasons has just some really fun little pieces. Look at this tiny little banner. Oh, it's itty bitty. Oh my goodness. Got a little strawberry here. This star. We've got a little plant, like a little potted plant, a flag, a little ghosty. These will be great for card making or for just accenting on layouts. There's a little seasons. There's a little bunny here, a little pumpkin, great tree, and then this oak leaf. Now, right away, I'm sitting here going, look at how fun these would be sticking out of the back of this truck. So say it's fall, you could easily layer a couple of these little pumpkins back here, or even just the one. See how fun that is? Whether you're doing it for a layout or you're using that wooden truck and you want to create some little pieces, look at how sweet that is. You just can layer all of these just to create a fun accent for your pages or projects. So Tiny Seasons is also a tiny accessory. So this one is $11 and includes 10 templates. Okay. And then our last piece of the new release is Whimsy. And Whimsy is going to be great for creating background accents on your layouts or projects. So it comes with 3 templates. These are pretty good size, and these will all be lovely, like poking out from behind a border or from behind photos, things like that. So we've got 3 different ones. I can't even fit them all on here. Let's see, we're looking at about 9 inches wide on this one. This one's about 8.5. And then this one is also about 8.5. So these are good sized templates. And hopefully that gives you some perspective on the size of those. This is an accessory set. So Whimsy will be $14. Okay. Again, all of these products, if you are a club member, are 10% off, even right with their new release. So club members, pop in there. Again, August 3rd is when they're available. There's a link in the description box. And non-club members, they're available on August 5th. So I hope you saw something in here that excites you. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, I can't wait to see what you guys create with all these fun new products. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.